guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful elastic summer dress. And if you're interested in my other patterns, please check out my Etsy shop. So to start with, we're gonna place the fabric on the floor and then put those sides towards the center. So right here you can see that I added some fusible stay tape, but I do not recommend you to do that. So you can just skip this part. But now we're going to serge the bottom of the facing details. And after you have serged the bottom, you can now pin together both the facing details. And then you can repeat the same step for the front and the back dress pieces. So just pin them together on the sides and then serge them together. And now we need to mark 4 centimeters from the top on every strap. So both the facing parts and the main dress parts. Now put the main part inside of the facing parts and then pin it together at the top. So all the way around at the top. And now we're going to serge together the details, but the start point and the end point is the 4 centimeters from the top. So you can see that I start at 4 centimeters from the top. And this is how it should look like when done correctly. So now we need to turn the dress right side out. So take those straps and pull them out to the right side of the fabric. And at this point, we need to pin together with the straps. So here I take the main part, the back and the front strap, and pin it together. And now I take the facing front and the back straps and pin those together. And then I serge the straps together. And here you can see that I serged together the straps. And now I'm turning them right side out. And at this point, we're going to pull out the straps to the wrong side of the fabric. So I'm doing this step from the back of the dress and just pulling it out, and make sure that you have pulled out so you can see all of the opening, because we're going to pin together the straps right now, as you can see here, and then we will serge those openings closed. So you can see that I'm pinning together from both sides of the straps. And now I'm closing that opening by making a serge stitch. And here you can see that the openings are closed, so now we can turn the strap to the right side of the fabric. So just pull it out. This step is very easy. And before we can continue, we need to press the straps and the top of the dress. And now to make the dress even more beautiful, we need to turn that seam allowance, that serge stitch, to the facing and understitch at 1 to 2 millimeters from the seam. So you can see that I'm turning that seam allowance towards the facing and just making a straight stitch. And here you can see you do not need to go to the straps, to this part only, to the center of the back and the center of the front. And now I'm pinning together the facing to the side seams of the dress. And connect the side seams of the facing and the main part by stitching, making a straight stitch on the serged seam. So here you can see that they are together, so I'm just turning the garment right side out. And right here, I'm serging the bottom of the dress. So just make that serge all the way around. And then mark 3 centimeters from the bottom of the dress. This way we're creating a hemline. And now turn the dress wrong side out and then turn that hem inside and then pin all the way around. And this is how it should look like when you pinned all the way around. Right here, I'm taking a double needle. I'm using 1 centimeter in between the needles. And then I take another thread. So in total, we will need 3 threads, 2 on the top and 1 at the bottom. Now place the bottom of the dress right side up and then make a straight stitch, and the left needle need to be at the 3 centimeter from the edge. This way you will get this beautiful stitch and you can see nothing on the back side is sticking out. So now you just need to press the bottom and the dress is basically done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.